So the Sous Vide Biscuits and Gravy came about because I'm originally from Nashville, Tennessee. It's something I grew up with. And so when I first joined the company, I had to pay homage to my heritage in that way. And really wanted to work on an idea. So from the beginning, I remember telling Chef Gerard about the 3D printing that I was doing at home, and immediately he knew that it was going to be something cool. We're going to figure out a way to put this into what we do here. And I remember Gerard told me about them putting a slice of bread in a sous vide pouch with a filling, and I thought, there's no way that could work. That's impossible, right? And of course, sous vide makes things possible that previously weren't. So I thought, well, I want to try it with a biscuit. And we tried a biscuits and gravy. We did a few other flavors, and that was the standout one that everybody tried. But really the idea behind it being that we wanted to create something that typically you can't travel with, right? You can't take a plate of biscuits and gravy in the car with you. You can't really take it anywhere. It's really a sit down and enjoy a dish. So we wanted to create something that was portable and able to enjoy that comforting classic on the go. And sure enough, it was a slow process in trying to figure out which materials to use, because we wanted a mold that wasn't straight up and down and had angular sides. We wanted to have a rounding to it. If we wanted to get that made, would take a 3 to 6 month lead time and be very expensive. And so when we're trying to get out a prototype quickly, we were able to make that at a much lower cost, make it in-house, and have it within a matter of weeks rather than months. So it really helps speed up the innovation process. The team all worked together to try and figure out how to get the right texture to where it's not as firm as an egg bite, kind of quiche filling. It has more creaminess to it, but sets up enough to where the gravy doesn't fall all over the place. So you still get the experience of that crispy biscuit on the bottom, creamy gravy egg mix on top, and the peppery sausage.